Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about productivity. Have you heard from some productivity gurus tells you not to multitask? I was fooled by them as well. Actually, our body are wired to multitask. You are now breathing and also watching my YouTube video. So today I'm going to show you 3 simple strategies to really help you on your productivity. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I recommend you subscribe so that you'll be first to watch my next video. Again, if you don't know me, I'm Gao Shen. I'm not one of those productivity gurus. I'm just one person, love to share what I'm doing at work and also try to help you guys. Back to the productivity. I spent a lot of time to research on productivity. One particular book that helped me long time ago when I was in school is the 7 Habits. There's a lot of talking on prioritize, set goals, eat the frog, which means get hardest thing done at first. Those are all good tips, but again, today I'm gonna focus some simple strategies that are going to help you to boost your productivity at work. Because I work in semiconductor industry, so a lot of today's tips are actually come from my experience in semiconductor. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into the 3 tips that I'm going to show you today. Tip number 1. Simplify the process. As a mechanical engineer, we follow a lot of standard procedures to design parts, prototype, and testing. But once you've been familiar with those procedures, one way for you to improve productivity is to streamline the process. For example, if you need 3 steps to do the troubleshooting, can you combine them into one? Another good example of streamline the process is to eliminate the number of choices. For example, the Facebook CEO Mark and also President Obama have very limited selections on the clothes they are choosing. With this limited selection, they can increase their efficiency, thus boost their productivity a lot. Tip number 2, reduce your overhead time. This happens when you have a lot of waiting time or transition during your tasks. You can improve your productivity by reduce some of the waiting or preparation time. Sometimes we can even multitask while we're waiting. For example, one of our supporting group help us do the FEA simulation of a complicated model. Once the model is set up ready in the computer, it takes a lot of time to run. So in that time, you can start doing some slides preparation or go to talk with your colleagues for a other project. Also, I will be using multitask when I'm cooking. While I'm putting the steak on the grill, waiting it to be cooked, I will go ahead to cut onions for my next dish. That's how I can cook a lot of meals for my family in a short amount of time. Tip number 3, improve your specific skills for your job. Recently, because I was doing a lot of video editing, I watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to improve my editing productivity. One recommendation I got is to use the short keys. That's definitely helped me reduce the time for the editing. And also it's true for anything else you are doing. Maybe you are a salesperson, then you can improve your persuading skills that can shorten the amount of time have people going to buy your product. Another example comes from one of my friends. He's a process engineering, but he learned Python by himself. Now with the Python software, he can batch process his data comparing with the Excel that he used before. Now he can finish his task 3 times faster. Okay, that concludes the 3 simple tips that for you to improve your productivity at work. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and smash that like button. And please leave down your comments on what's the biggest obstacle in front of you regarding to productivity at work. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.